Okay, this morning I'll be talking about what now? Least or lowest common multiples. The multiple of a number, I've talked about multiples before now in one of the past videos. That the multiple of a number is any number you can divide without what? Remainder. For example, the multiples of 2 are numbers like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, when it goes on and on. The multiples of 8 are 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, and so on and so forth. All these numbers are written here now. 8 can divide them without remainder, and all these ones 2 can divide them without remainder. So these are multiples. You get multiples by what you're multiplying by other integers to get the values, right? So how do I get common multiples? Common multiples for 2 or more numbers are the multiples that you can find on both places. I'll show you 2 different methods that we'll go about looking for these common multiples. The first is, okay, these are multiples of 2, multiples of 3, multiples of 4, 6, and what now, and 8. So if you want to find common multiples, let me see here. Common multiples for 2 and 3. What is here and what is here? So the first is what? Is 6, right? So that 6 is here and 6 is here. What else? 12 is here and 12 is here. What else? 18 is here and 18 is here. So the common multiples are 6, 12, and 18, and it goes on and on. And you check very well, the common multiples are more like multiples of the first number. 6 plus 6 is 12, 12 plus 6 is 18, 18 plus 6 will give you the next multiple. So if I ask you, for example, what is the 7th common multiple for 2 and 3? All you just need to do is to what now? Add 6 7 times, and multiply 7 by what now? 6. And the 7th common multiple for 2 and 3 will be 42. But that's for another day. That's not what I'm talking about right now. All these are what now? Common multiples for 2 and 3. So what is going to be the lowest common multiple? The lowest common multiple, or the least common multiple, is the smallest among them. And that's going to be what now? That'll be 6. So the least common multiples for 2 and 3 is what now? Is 6. The same thing for 4, 6, and what? And 12. If you want to find out the common multiples for this number, I'm going to check what is here and here. There's 12 here, 12 and 12. I have 24, 24 and 24. I have 36, 36 and 36, right? And it goes on and on. So I can have for what now? For my common multiples. So do what? 12, 24, 36. Remember what I was telling you, it's just like adding 12, 12, 12 to get it next. So I'm going to have what now? 48 for the next. If you go on, if you continue, because multiples they don't end, they just go on and on. So what is going to be the lowest common multiple? The lowest common multiple is going to be what now? 12. So for what now? For 4, 6, and 12, the lowest common multiple is what now? Is 12. For 2 and 3, the lowest common multiple is what now? Is 6. These things may look very, very basic. They may look, but I've told you they are the most important things in what now? In mathematics. If you get this right, you won't have issues in math. Let's go back. I want to show you another method to find this. But that method, you're not able to find common multiples. The only thing you find is what now? Lowest common multiple. Let's try that to see. Okay, I'm back here again. I want to look for the common multiple of 2 and 3. 2 and 3. At least common multiple for these numbers. So I'm going to write 2, I'm going to write 3. Then I start dividing with like divide 3. I'll make sure I divide everything. If I cannot divide, sorry, when I've told you before now, the told you're dividing like this, you only use prime numbers. Remember prime numbers? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, or 7 is the most important number. So what can divide this? Can 2 divide this? That's the first prime number. 2 can divide 2. So I bring 2 to 2 is what? 1. 2 cannot divide 3. I bring it down. Anything that can be divided by 2, you divide. If you cannot divide, bring the what down. There's nothing here that 2 can divide, or something that 3 can divide. 3 into 1 cannot bring it down. 3 into 3 is 1. So there's nothing else to do. My LCM becomes what? 2 times 3, which is what? 6. And remember, when we are doing what now? LCM, for that we got what? We got 6. Alright? So we try this again. Let's take it on, sorry. Let me take it back. So this one. So can we do this for sorry. Okay. Okay. All right. My position has shifted, but can manage this. Okay. So I was trying to do forward now for LCM for 4, 6, and 12, like we did the other time. So I have 4, I have 6, and I have 12. 2 can divide this and bring it down. 2 can divide this. 2 can divide this. 2 can divide this. 2 cannot divide this and bring it down. 2 can divide this. 2 can divide the other thing. So I use what now? 3. And then that's it. So I'm going to have LCM. So we got 2 times 2 times 3. This is what it was. We got 12. And I think that was the same thing we got for that one. It's basic. And you can have so many numbers for it now for practice. You can do several numbers for it now for your practice. I will give you 2 to do by yourself. So by yourself, I want you to find assignment. Find the LCM of 1, 12, 15, and 18. 2, find the LCM of 10, 20, and 30. 3, find the LCM of 8, 12, and 16. Just do this once over before practicing. Exactly. Thank you.